Hey everyone, if you've been searching for the latest Hostinger n8n coupon code for 2026, you're in the right place. Today I'm going to walk you through exactly how to grab an extra 20% discount on any Hostinger hosting plan or service, plus a free domain on top of that. Now here's the thing, there are a lot of coupon codes floating around online, but most of them will only get you a standard 10% off. The exclusive link I've shared in the description and comment box below automatically applies a full 20% discount, which is double what you'd normally get. And as a bonus, you'll also receive one free .com domain. Completely on us, I've organized the links by country in the comment section, so you can pick the one that matches your local currency and language for the best experience. Once you click the link, you'll land directly on the Hostinger official website. From there, hit the services button in the top navigation bar. That opens up the full list of Hostinger's plans and services. And yes, my 20% discount applies across all of them. For today's video, I am focusing specifically on Hostinger's self-hosted n8n, which is perfect if you're into workflow automation and want full control over your environment. You'll see 4 VPS plan options: KVM1, KVM2, KVM4, and KVM8. For most users getting started with n8n automation, the KVM2 plan is the sweet spot. Great performance without overpaying. That's the one I'm going with today. Head to checkout and you'll see the 20% discount applied automatically along with your free domain. No need to manually enter anything. One quick tip: always sign up with a fresh email address to make sure the promotional pricing goes through without any issues. That's it. Super simple. If this helped you save some money, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more deals and automation tips. Love N8N. So do we see you in the next one.